ngareshwa mina kodwa nginuki njenge-rape. I was not raped by one man. Ngareshwa madoda awu-4 in different instances. Another was my uncle. 2 of them were pastors. But I don't smell like rape. I smell like glory. Nginukisa kwankazimulo. Ipasa phina yamuthinta phuma kuyona igcina inuka kuwe. Understanding the reason you went through the fire is the best solution. I had to go to God and ask, why me, Lord? Mina drop out. God, I don't smell like a dropout. Ngangifunda la usa University of Natal ngenze become accounting. Same year ngenze first year yami. Ngingena basari ngikhokhela uma wami washona. I remember washona kufanele ngiyobhala on a Tuesday. Ngangena ephepheni ngabhala igama lami ngaphuma. Ngasiyeka isikole ngasikhwitha. But I don't smell like my past. I don't look like my past. I preach before white men. I preach before African men. I preach in places only the past. Namhlanje ngihlanganiswe nabantu ama-lecturer abantu abaphezulu ngoba unuki lento phuma kuyo. uNkulunkulu uyakuthatha kususe akubeka kuhlalise kanye namakhosi. Not because you deserve, but because you have graduated. Praise God for the fire. For the fire has made me who I am today. Praise God for rejection. For I am who I am today. This is very prophetic. I'm speaking to someone. Namhlanje ngiphethe isandla ngizokudonsa ngithi come out, arise, O daughter of Zion. You will not smell like the fires you've been through. My mother, Umawami, at the age of 18, Washadena 17. At the age of 18, was Alamina. Ngesiza. One weekend ngizalile ubaba womshaya. Waqaqeka umthungo wobuyiselwe esibhedlela. Ngakhula, ngayi-rape victim with a father who's extremely abusive. I never knew the love of a father, not the love of a mother. My mother was the most damaged woman on planet Earth. Anginuki, anginalo nevumba. Uthande engalitholanga kubo yilo lalo nginika abanye. Give out what you never got. Iyeke lento yakho yokuba nenhliziyo encane bese uthi ngoba mina ngilithola nguthando ekhaya. Banike lento wena ongayitholanga. Aningazwanga livumba kuwe. Lezinto ohlula kuzo. Lezi zinto ohlula kuzo yisebenzisha njengestepisi. Zithathe zikubeka kwenye level. Ziphinde zikubeka kwenye level. There is a reason why uphunyukile. Abanye bafela phakathi emlilweni. There is a reason why you are still alive. God, why did we survive? Why did we survive? Why did we survive? Nakatamatina onaya.